So here's a perfect example of where Phantom Screens comes alongside a builder and supporting the architect's dream for what they envisioned for this home.
Our vision for the home was to create a space that really encompass the indoor-outdoor design kind of trends that are really out there today, but also make it feel a lot more homey, a lot more livable, and a lot more integrated. We actually designed the house inside out, but outside in. And so the inside doesn't work without the outside, and kind of vice versa. So being able to use Phantom Screens to encompass the outdoor spaces to create them indoor spaces or indoor feeling spaces really help tie the synergy of those relationships together. Our temperatures are fairly comfortable, but being able to have the screens down, the heaters on, these outdoor spaces are livable year-round.
So as an architect and builder, you want to deliver wow factors for your clients. And with their Phantom Screens, you're absolutely able to do that. So there's all the key features you get and benefits by using our products: keeping heating, keeping bugs out, allowing ventilation. But the beautiful thing about our products is we're only there when you want us, but when you don't want us, we blend into the walls, into the ceiling with a click of a button, and boom, we're gone. So it's perfect. We're not in your way at all. We don't detract from your gorgeous decor or your design that you're creating for your clients. We are just a sublime addition to your home.
It's a huge wow factor. As technology has become more and more a part of our lives, and adaptability and being able to make a space one thing one day and something completely different the next, it's become a huge wow factor. I have clients they'll go up, start pushing the buttons, showing how the shades work, and oh, it disappears up into the ceiling, and show how it completely transforms a space. Obviously, with the design that we've created, having motorized screens that are fully integrated into pockets, into the design of the home, create huge value for the homeowner, for the architect, and for the builder, because you're able to create what used to be these outdoor kind of throwaway spaces. Now this outdoor space becomes part of the home. Our home sizes are actually getting smaller, but these use of the motorized chaise systems have actually increased the sizes of the homes, because the perception now is this beautiful outdoor space that's kind of has this boundary becomes truly integrated into the home. So as part of our design process, they help advise on size of the shades, the type of fabric, what size pockets we need to prepare for truly an integrated design. And they're always part of the team all the way through to the end. The other great thing is there is a local distributor. There is someone that is truly knowledgeable about the product that we can pick up the phone, call, hey, we got this issue, and there is someone that's been intimately trained about the systems, the integration, that we never felt alone, that we had to struggle to figure it out on our own.
As you heard Michael say, we asked him, well, why Phantom Screens? And he says, because I know they're going to be there for me from start to finish. It's an absolutely seamless process. Beginning at the design stage, knowing what types of screens to order, what it's going to look like at the construction phase, being there for the builders, all the way through to when your client moves into their home and they have any servicing needs at all, we are only one phone call away for them.